In today's video, I will be showing you how to track changes in Microsoft Word. To do this, simply head over to the Review tab. Once you click the Review tab, just ensure you have turned on the Track Changes icon right over here. Ensure it is turned on by just clicking on it. Once you have turned it on, you can now come and make all the particular changes that you want. All right. So you can come and delete a particular word like that. You can delete this. All right. You can even add a comment. Let me show you guys. So review. You can even come and add a comment and say, add more nouns, add more words. Yeah. You can make any comment. All right. And once you are done with all your changes, all right, you'll just go back to review. Okay. Go to click on simple markup and click on all markup. So all markup will enable you to see all the changes that you have made. Okay. So if you want to see all the particular changes you have made more clearly, you can just click on all markup. Or if you had given your document to someone to review it for you and you want to see the changes they have made, you'll just come and click on all markup to see all the particular changes they have made. All right. Once again, you can come and click on no markup, and this will give you a view of how the document will look with the integrated changes. All right. And you can also click on original to return back to the original version of the document before it was done any change, or before any change was done. Sorry. All right. So there it is. We have simple markup. We have all markup so that you can see all the changes. We have no markup again so that the changes can be hidden. And you have original so that you can see the original version of the document. Once again, when you click on show markup, okay, you can come and click on either comments, ink, insertions, okay, so you can allow track changes to track all this, or if you don't want track changes to track it, you can just come and uncheck it. Once again, you have balloons. So balloons will show all the changes on one side, all right. As you can see, it will bring all the changes on one side so that you can see all the changes clearly. As you can see, I deleted this word, I commented here, and I deleted this. So that is what we call the balloons, okay? They will enable us to see all the changes on one side. And on specific people, it will allow you to see the reviewers of your document. As you can see, I'm the only reviewer, so it is admin currently, okay? Another thing that you guys should know, now in case if you have seen all the changes, as you can see all the changes, let me disable this first. So go to show markup, balloons, show only comments. Okay, yeah. So in case you see somebody has made a change, or the reviewer has made a change on a particular statement, and you don't want to accept the particular change, or you want to decline it, you'll just click on the review tab and either reject or accept. So if I reject this, I can come and click on reject and I say reject change. All right. And if I want to accept it, I can just come and say accept this change. And if I want to accept all changes in my document, I can come and click accept all changes or accept all changes and stop tracking. The same goes to reject. I can come and click reject all changes or reject all changes and stop tracking. All right. And by doing that, I can accept the changes that have been made or reject them. All right, let me in this case click on reject all changes, okay? And all changes will be rejected, okay? And that is simply how you track changes in Microsoft Word. If you have found this video helpful, please make sure you leave a like and please make sure subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.